Senate at plenary Tuesday deliberated on the urgent need to tackle excessive erosion on roads across the country. These resolutions were reached on Tuesday's plenary after a debate on three separate motions stating the urgent need for erosion control in Edo Central and the need to tackle the erosion ravaging Onitsha-Oba section of Anambra State. In their submissions, Senators Okweholo Monday, representing Edo Central, and Jimo Ibrahim, representing Ondo South, noted that the topography in Edo and Ondo State has plunged many communities into untold hardship.
The President also worried that ongoing highway roads projects in Edo Central face the risk of being damaged even before they are completed, as a result of which the community may just be losing the government may just be losing hundreds of millions of naira because of the natural disaster.
The Ayetoro is at the verge of being completely lost to the sea if nothing is done urgently, and there is more they are pregnant because residents are gradually losing hope, in fact massively losing hope, and they are alluded to the fact that many years of investment had disappeared.
Senator Victor Ume, on his own part, expressed concern over the devastating effects of gully erosion and landslides in Anambra State.
The Senate resolves to urge the federal government to direct the Federal Ministry of Works and Housing to commence immediate repairs and reconstruction of the affected parts of the Onitsha-Owerri federal roads, and particularly the sections between Opiweka roundabout in Onitsha and Oba in Idemli South local government area of Anambra State, which spans about 6 kilometers.
After the debate, President of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, directed the Committee on Environment, Ecology, Works and Special Duties, when constituted, to urge all the ministries to do the needful.
I think we also have a duty when our committees are in place. These things must be, we must undertake serious oversight, and state by state, by the various committees on environment and the ecological office on ecological issues and all that. So it's not something that we can stop today.
Charity Tanko, ITV News.